In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center content vertically in Base44. We'll walk through this together step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and how to adjust your settings to get perfectly centered content every time. First, make sure you're in the Base44 editor and on the page where you want to make your changes. Take a moment to zoom in or out so you can clearly see the element you're working with. This could be a text block, a button, an image, or any other content area you want to align. Once you're ready, click to select that element. You'll know it's selected when you see its outline or the usual selection handles appear around it. It's important to click directly on the element itself, not just the section or background behind it, so the right options show up in the editor. With your element selected, look for the toolbar or side panel that appears with styling options. You'll see an icon that looks like a letter T with an underline. This icon represents the text and typography settings, but in Base44 it also gives you access to alignment controls for that element. Go ahead and click on that T icon. If you don't see it right away, check around the right-hand panel or the top bar of the editor, depending on your layout. Clicking this icon will open up a set of options related to how your content looks and how it's positioned. Now that you're in the styling options, find the section labeled Alignment. This is where you control how your content is positioned inside its container. In many editors, you'll see both horizontal and vertical alignment controls here, and Base44 follows a similar pattern. Look specifically for the vertical alignment settings. These often appear as icons showing content aligned to the top, the center, or the bottom of a box. To center your content vertically, choose the Center Alignment option. Once you click it, you should see your text or other content move into the middle of its container, with equal space above and below. Take a moment to preview your page, or resize the container to make sure it still looks good at different dimensions. If something doesn't look quite right, double check that you selected the correct element and that you're adjusting the alignment for the content, not just the outer section. And that's it. By selecting your element, opening the T icon options, and using the alignment controls, you can quickly center your content vertically in Base44.